Today we are making a video with Urax and I will show you what he is doing in a day, and I really hope you will enjoy this video and the day with me and my Swedish Vallhund, Urax. Before we get into the video, I really just want to thank you so much for subscribing and leaving comments on the video. It's so much fun and I am really thankful for them. When I start the day, I always find Urax next to me on my pillow, and when Urax is sleeping, he's always sleeping in the bed next to me and my husband. He has been doing this since he was a little puppy, and we really think it's so cozy and it's just a really warm feeling having him next to us and cuddling in the bed. It's the same thing when we go to bed at night. I always fall asleep with Urax next to me on my pillow or me holding his paw, and it's just a really cozy and comforting feeling to have him next to me. I had a comment on an earlier video with one of you guys telling me that Urax is always with me, and as I'm filming right now, he is here on the bed watching me and making sure that I am doing and saying everything that I want to say and do in this video. In the weeks, Urax and I always take an early walk. We go outside when it's still dark and the whole family is sleeping, and he's still sleepy when I am putting on my jacket and my shoes. He's so cute because he starts talking and just waiting for us to get outside and get our early walk together. On the weekends, Urax likes to sleep in, just like the rest of the family, and we don't have to take our morning walk so early. We can just do it a little bit later in the day. Sometimes in the weekends I just let him out on the yard. This is something that is really... he just sheds so much right now. We have to comb him outside when we go out. Where was I? It's something that we really enjoy about living in the country. We can just let Urax out on the yard in the morning and we can take our morning walk a little later in the day. Today I just let him out a little bit while I am sitting on our patio enjoying a cup of coffee, and today we will take our walk a little bit later. We will go out to the forest and pick mushrooms, and this is something Urax really enjoys to do with the whole family. Also, we read something interesting with dogs and picking mushrooms. We are trying to teach Urax to find mushrooms, and we read that you can take a little treat and put next to the mushrooms, and in that way Urax will learn how to find mushrooms in the woods. We don't know if this will work, but we find it really interesting and we have been trying it a few times. This is something we are trying out right now, and it's just fun to see if it will work. And of course Urax always likes to find treats. Another thing Urax really enjoys doing at home is chasing a ball, and sometimes we just go outside to play a little bit on the yard, and we play fetch and we play with the ball, and he just loves chasing it. When we are out with the kids, we are always competing who will grab the ball first. Of course, Urax wins all the time. The kids love it, and it's really something Urax likes to do with the whole family.
Får leka. Sitt. Stanna. Stanna. Sitt. Stanna. Stanna. stanna, 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 sitt. Stanna. Varsågod. Vad är det då? Ja, bra! Ja, duktig! Den finns med. Ja! Bra, Urax! Ja, det var alla! Duktig!
In a day, Urax will get about 1 or 2 walks, and we are out many times during a day. We have the forest near us, so we can just go take a little stroll there. And we also have a big yard. We have a big field down to the creek. We can just take smaller walks there, and sometimes we go on longer walks as well. We also have been training Urax to go in the car with us. We take him on practices, football practices with the kids, on longer walks in the woods. Sometimes we take longer trips to visit family, and this is something Urax have been training on, and he is now comfortable riding in the car. In the evening, when it's starting to get late, Urax is used to getting a bone. This is his night routine, and is just really happy and comfortable with. Chewing on a bone every day is also good for his teeth, and is just a really nice routine that he enjoys. Of course, Urax, he has his own bowl of water and with food, and this we fill up every morning, and we fill it up with more food during the day.
Urax! Ja! Urax, kom då. Sitt. Stanna. 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 Varsågod.
We are so happy that we have Urax. He is really a wonderful family dog. Now you have seen what Urax does in a day, and I really hope you enjoyed it. See you soon again. Bye!